Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to solve the square root of this third involving fraction. So let's get started. So this third can be simplified as the square root of a minus the square root of b. But a should be greater than b. So this can be written as the square root of 7 over 6 minus the square root of 4 over 3 should be equals to the square root of a minus the square root of b. So in order to remove the square root, the first step is to square both sides. So we are going to square both sides. So if we square both sides, the square and the square will cancel. Square and the square will cancel. We'll be left with 7 over 6 minus square root of 4 over 3 should be equals to. If we square these, we are going to have a plus b minus 2 root ab. Okay, the next thing to do, if we look in here, we have 2, and we can also make sure that we want to have 2 here. So here is 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. So we can have this as 7 over 6 minus 2 root, because 4 is the same as 4 times 1, 2 root 1/3 should be equals to a plus b minus 2 root ab. So next, to get the value of a and b, we can form simultaneous equations. So here, a plus b should be equals to 7 over 6. A plus b should be equals to 7 over 6. And the next thing to do, here we are going to have, there's minus 2 we cancel out. This square root and this square root will cancel out. We'll be left with a times b should be equals to 1/3. So if we think of two numbers that when we multiply them together, it will give us 1/3. And when we add the two numbers together, it will give us 7 over 6. So 3 here is a prime number. So if we think about it, we are going to have 2/3 times the value of b will be equals to 1/2. So if we multiply both numbers, we can see 2 and 2. We cancel up, we'll be left with 1/3. So, and if we add these two numbers together, it will give us 7 over 6. So a is 2/3 and b is 1/2. So we can write our answer in this form. So our answer will be equals to the square root of a, which is 2 over 3 minus the square root of 1/2.